So let's talk about tightening bolts with a torque wrench. I've got a grade 5 bolt installed in this rig right here, and we're going to tighten that bolt to 31 foot-pounds, which is the dry torque for a grade 5 bolt. I'm going to use that using a click type, a pretty standard click type torque wrench. Click type torque wrenches are usually accurate to within between 1 and 6% of their set value, depending on the brand. They're accurate over 20 to 100% of their range. I have this set to 31 foot-pounds or 430 kilogram centimeters. When you're using any kind of torque wrench, it's a good idea to always pull in an even pull. Don't try to snatch or jerk it. That may cause it to click prematurely. And you want at least 30 degrees of pull before the torque wrench actually clicks. I've checked this torque wrench against this digital calibration unit, and my torque wrench actually reads about 3% high according to that digital unit. So now let's go ahead and try to tighten the bolt. When the torque wrench clicked, you can see that I was set at 4,200 pounds. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this bolt off using a separate wrench, because you never want to use a torque wrench to back the bolts off. And without changing settings or doing anything on the wrench, I'm going to tighten it again. In this case, I'm getting 3,500 pounds. That's quite a difference. I'm going to back it off one more time. Let's tighten it one more time here. And now I'm at 3,200 pounds. So what's causing these differences? Well, because the bolt is dry, every time we loosen and tighten the bolt, the friction conditions between the head and the washer and the nut and the threads changes. The threads probably gall a little bit, the washers maybe gall a little bit. This increases the parasitic friction, which means less and less tension gets applied to my bolt. The way to get around this, of course, is to lubricate.